Good morning. Today we are discussing about fifth semester Indian economy concept demographic features of India. What is the main demographic features of India? One by one discuss today. The role of human resources in the process of economic development. In this we are discuss about what is the human development, the population, the role of population in economic development, the growth of India's population, the variation in size of population in different states in India, analyze the causes responsible for past growth population rate, recent slowing India of its growth. What is the main demography? We have learned the difference growth of national income per capita income explain the growth of in population. Hence, in this unit we will discuss the demographic features and indicators of development. The human resources have a two-pronged relationship with the economic growth. As a resource, people are available as factors of production to work in combination with other factors of production like land, capital, enterprise. As a consumers, human beings make demand on the national product of the economy. The size of population, therefore, is a crucial determinant of economic growth. A large population may not necessarily contribute to economic growth. In fact, large, fast rising population may find itself in a situation described by the economists as overpopulation. The first of all, demographic features of India. What is the first the census, population census, the country in India? First, all India census was started in 1872. Thereafter, decimal census have been organized in the year ending in one. That is, every 10 years to conduct the census data to collect 8081. The scientific collection of census in 1881, 1891, 901, 1901, 92. The last such census, the 15th census, was completed in 2011. The census in India conducted under the Census Act 1948, which makes the obligatory for the public to provide all answers correct and fully. 15th census of the 2011. Already 16th census, the tabulation, the questionnaire is already ready. Due to COVID-19 effect, the 16th census, due to COVID-19, the stop the census. What is the now the trends of population? The trends of population of India, we discuss what is the trends of population. In 901 23 అంటే trends of population in India 901 23.8 crores, 1911 year 1911 year 25.2 crores, 1921 25.1. You observe in 10 years only 2 crores increased. In 10 years there is no stagnance. After that 1921 continuously increase India population. 1921 25 crores, 1931 27.9 crores, 1949 31 81 crores. Nearly 21 in 80 years the India population 121 crores. 80 years, nearly every year to increase the approximately 2 crores. Nearly 121 crores and minus 125 ante nearly 96 crores by 80 years. Nearly 1.5 crores are every year increases, every decadal total increase continuously. So that's why 921 is called Great Divide Year we are called. The history of population growth in India divides itself into four natural phases. Phase 1, 901, 921, stagnant population. Phase 2, 921, 951, steady growth. Phase 3, 1951, 1920 is rapid high growth. Ante the phase 1 in 20 years stagnant population. The phase 2, 30 years steady growth, 1921, between 1921 1951. The phase 3 in 30 years, 1951 to 1981, rapid high growth. In phase 4, 1981 to 2011, high growth with definite signs of slowing down. This is the four phases of important phases of population growth in India. Before 1921, the growth rate of population was very slow. As a matter of fact, India's population had declined during the decade 1911-21. The decline was caused by famines and epidemics. The year 1921, therefore, is also known as the year of Great Divide. Year of Great Divide to say the. That is the, you observe the upward trend of population growth rate maintained since 1951 got reversed during the decades 1981-2001. It means that although India's population continues to grow in size, its pace of net addition is on the decrease. What is the main demographic features of India population? The first one is the density of population. The second one is the life expectancy. The third one is the sex ratio. The demographic features of India population is the first one is the density of population. The second one is the life expectancy. The third one is the sex ratio. The fourth one is the rural urban population distribution. The fifth one is the literacy rate in India. The sixth one, the birth rate and death rate in India. The seventh one, age group. And eighth, some other factors. These are the main demographic features. What is the density of population? One by one, we are discuss. What is the main demographic features? The one by one discussion. These are the main demographic features of India: the density of population, life expectancy, sex ratio, rural urban population distribution, literacy rate in India, birth rate and death rate in India. The density of population helps to determine the magnitude of the burden that land is being called upon to carry and determine the future potentials of growth. It is in this sense that we find that India is already a densely populated country and that more additions are likely to add only more to the burden on land. The density of population helps to determine the magnitude of the burden that land is being called upon to carry and to determine the future potential of growth. What is the density of population is calculated as a ratio of the number of persons per square kilometer land area. What is the definition of density of population? The density of population is calculated as a ratio of the number of persons per square kilometer for land area. According to 2001 census, the density of population in the country is 324. No doubt, India is one of the densely populated countries in the world. According to the 2011 census, the density of population in the country is 328. In India, the maximum density, New Delhi, 11,320. Minimum density of population in India, Arunachal Pradesh, 17 only. What is the population density? What is the density of population in India? Overall, the India, to observe in a worldwide the India density of population is now in 2001 324, in 2011 328. Other remaining years, in percentage wise, China 19.5, 19.4 percentage, India is 17.5 percentage area. The density of population also, the India is the place. What is the density of population? It is very important in the demographic features. The next one is the life expectancy. The mean expectation of life at birth is the best statistical measure of the health conditions and of the general level of mortality of a country. If the death rate is high and a death occurs at an early age, life expectancy will be low. On the other hand, if the death rate is low and our death occurs at an advanced age, life expectancy will be high. During the last few decades, the death rate in India has recorded a perceptible fall. This is reflected in the rising life expectancy in the country. Life expectancy at birth currently is being estimated 63.87 years. And I think 64 years of males, 67 years of females. This is the life expectancy in India. The first one, the density of population. The second one is the life expectancy. The third one is a sex ratio. The sex ratio is a powerful indicator of the social health of an economy. It conveys a great deal about the state of gender relations. The sex distribution of population in India shows two things: a higher ratio of males in the population. The sex composition in India different census years. To observe 1951, 946. 1961 decreased 1941. Another 1971 decreased 10, 11, 930. 1981 slight increase 1934. 1991 924, the sex ratio decreased. 2001 933. 2011 943. To observe the 50 years, nearly 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years, the sex is not change level. To observe 1951 946, but 2011 943. What is the main? The sex ratio differs among different states according to 2011 census. While it has highest as high 1084 in Kerala, it is low as 818 in Chandigarh state. There are 6 possible explanations for the decline sex ratio. A progressive undercount of women compared to men in different census. An increased discrimination of females in providing the minimum nutrition, access to health and other amenities. Increase in the proportion of male selective migrants from other countries. Reduction in fetal wastage resulting in a decline in female-male ratio at birth level. Female selective termination of pregnancy. Lagged effect of small sex difference in mortality at young ages persisting over a long period of time. These are the main reasons to low level sex ratio in different states in India. These are the main 6 reasons. What are the 6 reasons? అంటే first discrimination, male and female, the increase in the proportion of the male selective migrants from other countries, reduction in fetal wastage resulting in decline in female-male ratio at birth level, female selective termination of pregnancy, logged effect of small sex difference in mortality at young ages persisting over a long period of time, especially in rural area, rural India, especially 68% population living in rural area. The 68% population, the mentality, the small the decrease ante the various differential proportion about male and female. So that is the main reason to decrease at low level of sex ratio in India. Only especially the 3 decades or 4 decades to continually highest sex ratio in Kerala, the Kerala, because the female literacy rate in Kerala. So that's why educated women to lead the sex ratio. So that's why the Kerala highest sex ratio in India. Next one, rural urban population distribution. Rural urban population distribution we'll discuss about what is the rural urban population. While there has been another, the first one is the density of population, life expectancy, sex ratio. The fourth one is the rural urban population distribution. While there has been a progressive increase in the number as well as the proportion of people residing in urban areas during the last few decades, India continues to be predominantly rural. The percentage of urban population, total population, has gone up from 17.1% in 1951 to 50 years to increase 27.8% in 2001. You observe it, in 50 years, only improve 10%, 11% urban population in 50 years. To observe after 10 years, 27.2, now according to 2011 census, 31.2% in urban population. Nearly 3% increase in 10 years. The interstate variation may I also observe. Tamil Nadu is the most urbanized state in 39% population living in the urban areas. The share of urban population in total population more than 30% in states like Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Mizoram, while it is the between 20% to 30% in other states like Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Punjab, Rajasthan, West Bengal. The ratio is less 20% in other states like Assam, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Orissa, Sikkim, Tripura. These are the what is the main the rural urban population, one of the demographic feature of rural urban population distribution in India. The other literacy, the other demographic is literacy rate in India. According to the census definition, which person completed 7 years age above, 7 years ages above person is deemed as literate if he or she can read and write with understanding if any language. According to census definition, which person to complete 7 years, he or she can read and write with understanding any language. A person who can merely read but cannot write is not literate. During the period 1951-2011, there has been substantial progress in literacy rate. We discuss about. The figure shows literacy rates in India 1951 to 2011. After independence India, 1951 literacy rate 18.33. 1961 28.31. 1971 34.45 literacy rate. 1981 43.56 literacy rate. 1991, 52.21 percentage. 2001, 64.84 percentage. 2011, 73% in literacy rate. We observe after 60 years, 51, 18.33. After 60 years, how much percentage literacy rate increased? 73 subtracted 18%. How much percentage? Nearly 18. Ante 73 subtract the 18 percentage. What is the percentage? 3. 4, 13, 8. Ante nearly 10, 63. 63 lo that minus the 8. 55 percentage only. 55 percentage. It is 60 years. At least 60 years, 1 year, 1% is not increase in literacy rate. That is the, to observe that 58 percentage. What is the 57 percentage increase in 60 years? 57 percentage in 60 years. We observe that in 60 years, 57 percentage. At least 1 year, 1% is not increased literacy rate. What is the main reason? In rural areas, especially the rural people to believe the superstitions, especially the girls or women not literate. So that is the main reason. India, what is the main reason? You have to observe that, for example, 2011 census, male literacy 81%, female literacy 67%. But population both 50% yearly. But literacy rate 81, 66, 65. What is the difference between 81 and 65? Nearly 65. 16% in yearly, 16 guys, 65, 15, 65, at 15, 16% difference. What is the difference between nearly female literacy and male literacy? That is the, you observe that literacy rate very low level to improve the or increase the literacy rate in India. Observe that. Another important fact that comes out clearly from the available data, that with the passage of time, sex differential in literacy rates are narrowing down. In 1951, the female literacy rate as percentage of male literacy was about 33%. What is the 33%? In 2000, what is the, to observe, what is the, in 1951, male literacy 27, female literacy 8.86. After 68, 2011, 8.9%, 64.6%. What is the male female gap in literacy rate? 1951, 18.30. After 60 years, the gap 16.3%. To observe, what is the, to observe the percentage in 1951, 18.30, the gap male, the gap also 18.30. 1961, literacy rate 28.31. The female, male and female gap literacy rate is 25%. In 1971, also 34.45 literacy rate, gap 24%. 1981, 43.5 in literacy rate, the gap is 27%. 1991, 52.1 literacy rate, the gap is 25%. The 2001 literacy rate 64.84, the gap male female gap literacy 21.59. 2011 the gap is a 16.3 percentage. The gap 16.3. You observe that after 60 years, 1951 the gap male female gap literacy rate 18.30. After 60 years, the gap between male literacy and female literacy 16.3. What is that to decrease? Only 2% in 60 years. So what are the main reason to observe? The sex ratio, what is that? Especially discrimination, the girls' education, the women education especially, that is the main reason to the difference between male literacy and female literacy, to observe that. After 60 years to observe that, after 60 years, in 60 years, the literacy rate increased 58%, 57%. That is the pity of our country. The policy makers, the government of India must take the measures, the improve the to action plan to improve the female literacy rate in India as early as possible. That is the literacy rate of the another demographic features of India, one by one. What is the demographic features of India? The first we discuss about density of population of India. The second one, life expectancy. The third one, sex ratio. The fourth one, rural urban population. The fifth one, it is the AME, the literacy rate. The sixth one, these are the demographic features. Another important demographic feature is the age composition. Age composition, another important what is of age composition. According to 2011 census, population in the age group 0 to 15 from 35.50 in the age group 15 to 59 years from 46.30% in the age group of 60 and above from 8 to 8.20% of the total population. Observe that changes in 2016, 0.14 age group 20.16% of total population, 15 to 59 age group 63% of total population, 60 and above 8.7% of total population. It is estimated that there will be an increased population younger age group. We observe that in worldwide young population countries in India only. In worldwide, what is the 15 to 59 age group working? 63% young age people live in India. That is a plus point. That is the human development. That is a human resource in worldwide. That is a great credit of our India. But the India should make an how to improve the human development, human resource development, to think about to implement the some strategies for development. Another main point is the high percentage of growth of agriculture population. That is the one of the population. What is the another important fact discuss? Another important is the discuss about birth rate and death rate. The demographic profile of India portrayed above helps us to bring in a clear perspective the nature of the population problem being faced by us. Some of the silent features that emerge from it are as follows. One, India has a large population base. It is already densely populated. The proportion is projected to increase the further future. The growth rate of population India since 95 has been constantly the percent of high fertility, declining mortality. Now we discuss about another demographic feature, birth rate and death rate in India per thousand population. To observe 1951, 39.9 and 40 birth rate, death rate 27. 1961, 41.7 birth rate, 22.08. 1971, 36.9 birth rate, death rate 14.9 percentage. 1981, 33.9 percentage birth rate, 12.5 death rate. 1991, 29.5 birth rate, 9.8 death rate. 2001, 25.4 birth rate, 8.4 death rate. In 2011, birth rate 22.1, death rate 7.2. You observe that 60 years, the birth rate nearly half of the birth rate decreased. In death rate also nearly 20% of death rate, 20 and among 1,000, 20%, nearly 20 decrease. The both in India, birth rate and death rate continuously decrease. That is a healthy improvement in India. We observe that is another demographic feature. Three persistence of high birth rate and death rate for fairly long time has resulted in bottom heavy age pyramid. The dependency ratio in the economy has been very high. 4, the country shows rising maturity with the proportion of women in the total population gradually falling. 5, the rural sector dominate the economy. It is the indicator of the overall low productivity. The 6th one, about 1/3 of total population illiterate, which speaks of very poor quality of human capital in the country. Among these various features of the one is the utmost concern to all the students population in India. Also the policymaker large relate to the high growth rate of population witnessed during the last 5 decades, 60 decades, not 5 decades, but also 6 decades. What is that? To observe that overall the demographic features, the three persistence of high birth rate and death rate of fairly long time has resulted bottom heavy as pyramid. The dependency ratio in the economy has been very high. The country shows rising maturity with the proportion of women in the total population gradually falling. The rural sector dominates the economy. It is indicative of the overall low productivity. About 1/3 of total population illiterates, which speaks of very poor quality of human capital in the country. Among these various features, one which is the utmost concern to all the students of population in India and also the policymakers to large relate the very high growth rate of population witnessed during the last 6 decades. The above discuss of demographic features relate to the size and growth and rate other attributes of population of country. From India's point of view, the most important demographic feature has been the size and rate of growth of population. India's population has been increasing rate since 1921. After 1951, the rate of growth of population picked up fast. This was because of the fact that the death rate is in India economy had begun to fall appreciably, whereas there was a relatively slow fall in birth rate. By 1981, the death rate had reached the plateau stage and the fall in birth rate accelerated in little. As a result, the growth rate of the population in India has slowed down. Population along with the national income determines the per capita income. national income and per capita income estimate have been employed as indicator of economic growth of a country. These are the, we are discussed about demographic features. What is the demographic features? To observe that the must student to see the all figures to understand the concept. It is very useful for the competition exams, especially what is the demographic features. The first two trends of population. What is the, for example, how much population 1991, how much population 2001, how much population 2011. For example, 1991, how much population? 68.3 population. 2001, 102.9 crores. 2011, 121 crores in population. What is the density of population? What is the density? Another the density of population 380. What is the density of population? To observe that, that is the most important. 2001 density of population and 2003 of density of population. That is the most important of the another factor. The next is a rural urban population. Next is what is the main population? You know what is the literacy rate? Main literacy rate. What is the literacy rate? Sex ratio, literacy rate. What is the sex ratio, literacy rate? To observe that in competition. For example, what is the literacy rate? 1991, 52.21. 2001, 64.84. What is the 2011? 73%. These are the main literacy rate comparison. What is the female literacy? Female literacy in 2011, 64.6. Male literacy in 2011, 8.9. These are the very useful bits for competition examination. To observe that another, the sex ratio. Sex ratio another important. What is the sex ratio? Highest sex ratio in India, in Kerala. How much? 1084. Lowest sex ratio in Chandigarh. That is the rural urban population in percentage. 1951, 73% in urban population. In 2011, 31.2% in urban population. 68.8 in rural population percentage. In 2001, 72.2 in rural population, 27.8 in urban population. These are the main important to learn the competition exam purpose. It is very useful for all examination. The total population, a density of population, the sex ratio, literacy rate, life expectancy, birth rate and death rate. It overall the demographic features very important. What is very important in Indian economy? To observe that what is the demographic? We discuss about nearly 7 points. What is a 1 point wise? What is the totally in what says demographic features of in India to size and growth rate and other attributes of population of a country? What is the demographic highlight of the demographic population in India? What is the demographic population in India? Second place. India is the second place. The first is China. In worldwide highest population, India is second place. The population percentage 17.5, but area wise 2.4%. What is the highlight? What is the demographic features? Highest young population in India, 15 to 59 working group in India. Highest young population in world in India only. That is a highlight. What is the weakness? What is the sex ratio? Sex ratio improve, literacy rate improve levels, density of population to improve the density of population, sex life expectancy. What are the main demographic features to observe that the literacy rate must be improved? It must be improved. Must be improved through the strategies. These are the main demographic features related to size and growth rate and other attributes of population of country. From India point of view, the most important demographic feature has been the size and rate of growth of population. India population has increased right since 1921. After 1951, the rate of growth of population picked up fast. This was because of the fact that the death rate in the Indian economy had begun to fall appreciably, whereas there was relatively slow fall in birth rate. By 1981, the death rate had reached the plateau, and the fall in the birth rate accelerated little. As a result, the growth rate of the population in India has slowed down. Population along with the national income determines the per capita income. National income and per capita income estimates have been employed as indicator of economic growth of a country. So that's why the India educated, if educated the people highest in India, when the human resources quality, the human resources inequality, when that situation, that to earn, the people earn the money to live the, to improve the standard of living, to improve the life expectancy, to improve the literacy rate. This is depend upon the human resources. So the government of India takes some initiative to improve the literacy rate and life expectancy and the quality of population trends in India. Thank you.